Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's start reviewing today's calls. So first stock which I gave for today's session was Marico. So here is the daily chart of Marico. The entry point was 420 and let's see where it opened. It opened above the entry price. So which means today's call for Marico was invalid. Second stock was Wipro. So here is the daily chart of Wipro. The entry level was 455. And let me see the opening range. So it gapped down, it went up. I have to go to 5-minute chart. So this is it. This is the entry point for today's session. Not this one. This one, okay. So 455, 459. So we were able to book two targets in Wipro. Third stock which I gave was Adani Enterprise and the entry level was 533. Let me see the opening range. It gapped up. So this call was invalid. Fourth and final stock given for today session was Hindalco. So this is the daily chart of Hindalco and it opened at 262, which is our entry level, and it went to 63, which means we booked one target in Hindalco Industries. Though it was not as fruitful session or fruitful analysis that we did for today's session, but never mind, we were able to book profit in two stocks. Now let us analyze Bank Nifty for Monday's session, that is on 18th January 2021. In today's session, you can spot a bearish candle with a decent size wick on the lower side. If you look at 2 days candle before today's session, these two candles also have longer wick on the lower side. Also, volumes have dropped significantly if you take into consideration volumes for bullish session. I am going to go to 15-minute chart here. As you can see, this is a wave pattern on 15-minute chart. So generally what we can do is we can buy once this high is taken down, which is above the market price of 32,450, and our target should be 32,550, and the stop loss I will put at 32,000. What was our entry point? 32,450. So 32,400 should be a decent stop loss. You can even elevate that stop loss to 32,425. Now let us analyze Nifty 50. On daily chart you can see similar type of candle in Nifty 50 as well, and 2 days candle if you look at, they also have longer wick. Even if you take into consideration entire wick, all the candle in this wick have a longer lower wick, which means that there is a support on lower level, and we can see that price is retracing back to higher level from the levels of 14,420. If I go to 15-minute chart here, I will try to draw a wave. This is one wave, this was another wave. So if we can stretch this line here, we cannot draw a line like this. So here if you just want to see the 15-minute chart, you can draw a channel like pattern. This is a channel. Price has been going back and forth within the channel. So if you buy above 14,450, then you can sell it around 14,475 or 14,480, and stop loss should be around 14,440 or 35. So here you might see another wave here which might retrace back to the support of the channel, or you might see a lower or shallower retracement as well. For example, if I draw a line like this, and if you see price is trading within a channel, and if you see a case of higher highs like something like this, then there is a high chance of price breaking this channel on the upper side, and you are going to see extreme bullish momentum. So that's the easy way of identifying whether price is going to break down from high or low. So now I'm going to tell you four stocks and we are going to analyze them one by one. First stock I have selected is Bandhan Bank. On a daily chart, you can draw a support line up to current market price. You can find number of candle with long wick on daily chart here. This is 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is a wave here, 1, 2 and third one. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see this particular price action. Just look at this section here, how price is making a pattern called pole and flag here, pole and flag. So this is pole, this is flag, retracement, buyers coming in at lower level, price going higher, and then again price going lower. So if Bandhan Bank goes above market price of 370 or even 369, we will analyze hourly chart and see we can find anything that will make our analysis much more stronger. So here you can spot number of long wick candle. Once again, I am paying a lot of attention to long wick candle on support level. So there is high likelihood of price reversing. So above the market price of 370, we can see levels up to 377 or even 380 in Bandhan Bank. Second stock I have is UPL. Just look at this particular price action here. So this is a pole. Let me draw it out. This is a pole. This is flag, retracement or correction. Again, you saw higher levels. Let me go to 15-minute chart and we see if this particular breakout above the high of today's session is going to happen in Monday's session. So this is 15-minute chart. Just see how at this high of around 527 to 530, if we take it like that, price made a stronger bearish candle, and after that entire session you saw correction. There was hardly any momentum or there was hardly any sizable candle, either bullish or bearish. I'll go to hourly chart and you can see the same thing here. But just look at number of long wick candle on hourly chart which have wick on the lower side. You can find multiple of such candles. Let me go to weekly chart and show you what is there. See here, you can't you draw a breakout line like this which comes to the market price of around, let me see what is the market price of this breakout level. It is around 5, let me select it, 550. So even if this breakout happen in today's session above 530, and if price goes above that, we can easily see levels up to 540 or even 545. Then after that you might see a correction. So it looks like UPL can be an extremely good stock for next to next week of swing trading, which is above 450, and we can set our target to here, which is around 600. So next to next week will be extremely profitable in UPL in terms of swing trading, even for day trading as well. Third stock that I have selected for Monday's session is Tata Motors. Looking at the extreme bullish momentum that we have seen in Tata Motor in this week, I'm hopeful and looking at the hourly chart here. Just look at this particular candle. There is an extremely strong bullish candle, and then you saw a doji like candle with the equal wick on either side, but then you saw another bullish candle, which means the bullish momentum is so stronger in the stock that buyers are willing to buy at any price. They see a smaller dip in the price in form of bearish candle, they are unloading lots of quantity. Here you can draw a pattern called a triangle pattern here. So this is the one triangle pattern, and I can easily see this particular bullish momentum lasting at least till the market price of 275. And let me see the volumes for today's session here on daily chart. Volumes are equal to Thursday's session, which means that bullish momentum has not died down. We are going to buy Tata Motors above high of today's session, which is about 265. Fourth and final stock which I have selected is ITC. Look at this particular price action here. How perfectly price is aligned for a breakout. This is wave number 1, wave number 2. This is called a W pattern. You draw a word W here, and you put limit buy order above the breakout zone. In case of ITC, we are going to buy above the market price of 219 or 220. Let me go to hourly chart here. See here how you can also spot a pattern called pole and flag. This is pole, this is flag, and again pole here. You might see some retracement here. Then lots of buyers will come in, and you are going to see the breakout out of 220. So based on my analysis, I have chalked out below targets for the stocks. You can see I have given lots of targets, and targets are quite broader in range. And I'm definitely think if price goes above the entry price, we are going to see all the targets getting achieved in the stocks which I have given here. I'm going to share all these calls in my Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.